McDonald's, the Golden Arches, a symbol recognized around the world. From bustling cities to quiet suburbs, it seems there's always a McDonald's nearby, ready to serve up its iconic burgers. But have you ever stopped to wonder about the journey of a McDonald's hamburger? How does that simple yet satisfying sandwich go from farm to your hands? Get ready to step inside the fascinating world of McDonald's hamburger production, where efficiency and scale reach new heights. Our journey begins in sprawling factories, where the magic of McDonald's hamburgers comes to life. These facilities are the heart and soul of the operation, where every burger's journey starts. These aren't your typical kitchens, they're high-tech facilities designed for one purpose: churning out millions of burgers with speed and precision. The level of automation and technology here is truly astounding, ensuring that each patty is made to perfection. Imagine a place where mountains of fresh beef arrive daily, ready to be transformed into those iconic patties. The sheer volume of ingredients processed here is mind-boggling, with truckloads of beef being delivered and inspected every single day. It's a whirlwind of activity, a carefully choreographed dance of ingredients and machinery working in perfect harmony. Every step is meticulously planned and executed, from grinding the beef to forming the patties. From the moment those raw materials enter the factory gates, they embark on a carefully controlled journey. Each phase of production is monitored and managed to ensure the highest standards are met. Every ingredient, every process, undergoes rigorous scrutiny to maintain the consistency and quality that McDonald's is known for. Quality control teams are constantly at work, checking and rechecking to ensure nothing but the best makes it through. We'll take you through each stage of this fascinating process, from the delivery of fresh produce to the final moments of packaging. Each stage is a critical part of the journey, contributing to the final product that millions enjoy. Get ready to witness the sheer scale and efficiency of an operation that's feeding millions around the globe, one burger at a time. It's a marvel of modern food production, a testament to what can be achieved with innovation and dedication. Our journey begins with the arrival of raw materials, the building blocks of that iconic McDonald's hamburger. Trucks rumble into the factory, their cargo holds brimming with fresh produce, premium beef and other essential ingredients. It's a logistical ballet, a carefully timed operation that ensures a steady stream of supplies to meet the insatiable demand for those famous burgers. The air hums with anticipation as pallets piled high with crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and onions are whisked away to temperature-controlled storage. The aroma of freshly baked buns wafts from the delivery bay, a tantalizing preview of the culinary delights to come. Each ingredient has been carefully selected from trusted suppliers, partners who share McDonald's commitment to quality and consistency. This is where the journey truly begins, as these raw materials prepare to undergo a transformation, a metamorphosis from simple ingredients into a culinary icon. The commitment to quality extends beyond just the appearance of the ingredients. It's about ensuring safety and freshness at every step. Sophisticated sensors monitor temperature and humidity levels, guaranteeing that the produce remains at its peak. Trained technicians meticulously inspect each delivery, looking for any signs of damage or spoilage. Their discerning eyes are the first line of defense, safeguarding the integrity of the McDonald's brand. It's this unwavering dedication to quality that has earned McDonald's the trust of millions worldwide. Section 3: The making of a patty from chunks to consistent circles. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the beef patty. This humble yet essential component is what makes a McDonald's burger truly special. McDonald's uses 100% pure beef, and it arrives at the factory in large, carefully chilled containers. These containers are designed to maintain the beef at the perfect temperature, ensuring its freshness and quality. These massive blocks of meat are then fed into powerful grinders, where they're transformed into a uniform blend. The grinding process is crucial, as it ensures that the beef is evenly mixed, creating a consistent texture and flavor. The air fills with the savory aroma of fresh ground beef, a scent that's synonymous with classic American cuisine. It's a smell that brings back memories of backyard barbecues and family gatherings. It's a mesmerizing process, watching as the raw meat is transformed into a consistent, finely textured mixture, ready for the next stage of its journey. The ground beef moves along a conveyor belt, a river of red that promises deliciousness. The ground beef is then transported to the patty-forming machines, marvels of engineering that shape the meat into those iconic, perfectly round patties. These machines are designed with precision, ensuring that each patty is formed to exact specifications. With each press of the machine, a uniform patty is born, ready to be cooked to perfection. The patties are then carefully placed on a conveyor belt, where they are inspected for quality and consistency. These machines are a testament to McDonald's commitment to consistency, ensuring that every patty is identical in size and weight. This attention to detail is what makes McDonald's burgers so reliably delicious, no matter where you are in the world. Section 1. The sizzle of perfection, cooking up a classic. The formed patties move along a conveyor belt, entering a realm of intense heat and tantalizing aromas. This journey is the beginning of their transformation from raw ingredients to a beloved classic. This is where the magic truly happens, where the patties take on that signature McDonald's flavor. The process is a symphony of precision and timing, ensuring that each patty is cooked to perfection. Giant, gleaming grills, stretching as far as the eye can see, await the patties, ready to impart their culinary magic. These industrial-sized grills are the heart of the operation, where the patties are seared to lock in their juices. The air crackles with energy as the patties hit the hot surface, the sizzle of cooking meat filling the air. It's a sensory experience that signals the creation of something special. McDonald's has perfected the art of cooking a burger, employing a precise combination of time and temperature to achieve that perfect balance of juicy interior and slightly crisp exterior. This meticulous process ensures that every bite is as delightful as the last. As the patties cook, they're carefully monitored by both automated sensors and trained eyes, ensuring that each one meets the company's exacting standards. This dual approach of technology and human expertise guarantees consistency and quality. It's a testament to McDonald's commitment to consistency, a promise that every burger, no matter where in the world it's served, will deliver that same satisfying taste. From the first sizzle to the final bite, McDonald's dedication to quality is evident in every step of the process. Section 2. Flash, freezing, locking, and freshness. But the journey isn't over yet. To preserve their flavor and ensure that every burger tastes as fresh as the day it was cooked, the patties undergo a process called flash freezing. This rapid freezing method locks in the juices and prevents the formation of large ice crystals that can compromise the texture of the meat. It's a delicate balance, a race against time to preserve the quality and flavor of the patties. Imagine a chamber of Arctic chill, where the air itself seems to crackle with cold. The cooked patties enter this frozen realm, their journey carefully orchestrated to achieve the perfect freeze. Giant fans circulate the frigid air, ensuring that each patty is evenly exposed to the sub-zero temperatures. Section 3. A symphony of assembly, from patty to pallet. From the freezing chamber, the patties embark on the next stage of their journey: assembly. Imagine a carefully choreographed ballet of ingredients, each playing a vital role in creating the iconic McDonald's hamburger. This is where the symphony of flavors truly comes together. The frozen patties are whisked away to a dedicated assembly area, where they're joined by their culinary companions. Soft sesame seed-studded buns, crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, tangy pickles, slivered onions, and of course, that signature McDonald's sauce. Section 4. The human touch. Craftsmanship in every burger. While much of the process is automated, there's still a human touch to every McDonald's hamburger. Trained employees oversee each stage of the production process, ensuring that every burger meets the company's exacting standards. They are the guardians of the McDonald's brand, the final arbiters of quality and consistency. Before the burgers are packaged and shipped, they undergo a final inspection. Section 1. From frozen to fresh, the thawing process. Our journey now takes us from the factory to the familiar setting of a McDonald's restaurant. Those perfectly frozen patties, locked in a state of suspended animation, arrive in refrigerated trucks, ready to be transformed from frozen discs into juicy, flavorful burgers. But before they hit the grill, they must first undergo a carefully controlled thawing process, a delicate dance between temperature and time. Inside the restaurant's kitchen, the frozen patties are placed in special thawing cabinets where they're gently coaxed back to life. Section 2. The final sizzle, restaurant-level cooking. Finally, the moment of truth arrives. The patties are ready for their final sizzle. They're placed on the iconic McDonald's clamshell grill, a symbol of fast food efficiency that's been a fixture in their kitchens for decades. The grill's unique design, with its heated plates that close like a clam, allows for even cooking and imparts those signature sear marks that are synonymous with a McDonald's burger. The air fills with the irresistible sizzle of meat hitting hot metal, a symphony of sound and scent that awakens the appetite. As the patties cook, they're carefully monitored by trained crew members, their eyes alert for the telltale signs of doneness. Section 3. Dressings and toppings, the art of assembly. Once cooked to perfection, the patties are carefully lifted from the grill and placed on awaiting buns. This is where the magic of assembly transforms them from simple patties into iconic McDonald's hamburgers. Each ingredient is added with care, following a precise order that's been honed over decades of experience. First comes a dollop of tangy mustard, followed by a swirl of sweet ketchup. Next, slivered onions and crisp dill pickle slices add their contrasting textures and flavors. Section 4. Serving the icon from kitchen to customer. From the moment a customer places their order to the instant they receive their meal, the McDonald's system is designed for speed and efficiency. The completed burgers are placed in warming cabinets, their temperatures carefully monitored to ensure they remain piping hot and ready to serve. As soon as an order is up, the burger is whisked away to the counter, where it's placed in its iconic cardboard container, ready to be enjoyed. The familiar sight of the McDonald's logo emblazoned on the side of the container evokes a sense of anticipation, a promise of that familiar taste and experience. And with that final handover, the journey of a McDonald's hamburger is complete. Guardians of consistency, the quality control crusaders. Behind the scenes of every McDonald's kitchen, a dedicated team of quality control specialists works tirelessly to ensure that every burger meets the company's exacting standards. These are the unsung heroes of the McDonald's experience, the guardians of consistency, who ensure that every Big Mac, every Quarter Pounder, every cheeseburger delivers that same familiar taste and quality that customers have come to expect. Armed with thermometers, timers, and a keen eye for detail, they scrutinize every aspect of the burger-making process. Food safety first, a non-negotiable commitment. Beyond consistency, food safety is paramount at McDonald's. Stringent protocols are in place at every stage of the process. From the moment ingredients arrive at the restaurant to the final assembly of the burger, employees undergo rigorous training in food safety practices, learning how to handle, prepare, and store food in a way that minimizes the risk of contamination. Hand washing stations are strategically located throughout the kitchen, a constant reminder of the importance of hygiene. Temperature checks and beyond. Maintaining the gold standard. Temperature control is another critical aspect of McDonald's food safety protocols. From the refrigerators that store raw ingredients to the warming cabinets that hold finished burgers, every piece of equipment is carefully calibrated to maintain the optimal temperature for food safety. Digital thermometers are used to verify the temperature of everything from the beef patties to the cheese slices, ensuring that they're cooked and stored at temperatures that inhibit bacterial growth. The journey of a McDonald's hamburger, from the factory floor to the customer's tray, is a testament to the power of standardization and a relentless focus on quality and safety. Every step of the process, from the sourcing of ingredients to the final assembly, is carefully orchestrated to ensure consistency and minimize risk. It's this unwavering commitment to their formula, this dedication to delivering a consistent experience time and time again, that has made McDonald's a global icon. When a customer takes a bite of a McDonald's hamburger, they're not just tasting a blend of beef, cheese, and toppings, they're experiencing the culmination of decades of experience, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of quality. Imagine a symphony of cardboard, foil, and paper, a carefully choreographed ballet of packaging designed to protect and preserve that iconic McDonald's taste. As the freshly assembled burgers leave the warming cabinets, they embark on the final stage of their journey, a journey that will take them from the bustling kitchen to the hands of eager customers. McDonald's packaging is more than just a container, it's an integral part of the brand experience. From the iconic clamshell boxes that cradle their burgers to the paper wraps that encase their fries, every element is designed for both functionality and brand recognition. Now imagine a global network of trucks, planes, and trains, all working in perfect harmony to deliver those freshly packaged burgers to every corner of the globe. It's a logistical ballet of epic proportions, a testament to the scale and efficiency of the McDonald's operation. From bustling city centers to remote outposts, the Golden Arches have become a symbol of globalization, a testament to the power of logistics and supply chain management. Refrigerated trucks, their interiors chilled to maintain the optimal temperature for food safety, transport the packaged burgers from regional distribution centers to individual restaurants. GPS tracking systems monitor their progress, ensuring that the burgers arrive at their destination on time and in peak condition. Section 3. Freshness guaranteed from factory to you. From the moment the raw ingredients arrive at the factory to the instant a customer takes their first bite, McDonald's has implemented a rigorous system of checks and balances to guarantee freshness. Every step of the process, from cooking temperatures to holding times, is carefully monitored to ensure that the burgers meet the company's strict quality standards. Timers are used to track the time that burgers spend in warming cabinets, ensuring that they're served within a specific window of time to guarantee optimal freshness and flavor. Section 1. A legacy upon the enduring appeal of the McDonald's hamburger. So there you have it, the journey of a McDonald's hamburger from farm to factory to your tray. It's a testament to the power of ingenuity, efficiency, and a relentless focus on delivering a consistent experience no matter where in the world you are. That simple combination of beef, cheese, and toppings, nestled between those iconic sesame seed buns, represents so much more than just a meal. It's a cultural touchstone, a symbol of globalization, and a testament to the power of a simple idea executed flawlessly. But what is it about the McDonald's hamburger that continues to captivate our taste buds and inspire a sense of nostalgia? Perhaps it's the familiar taste, that comforting blend of savory and sweet that evokes memories of childhood meals and quick bites on the go. Section 2, Billions Served and Counting, the Power of Standardization. The success of the McDonald's hamburger is also a testament to the power of standardization. From the sourcing of ingredients to the cooking temperatures to the assembly process, every step is carefully controlled to ensure that every burger tastes exactly as it should, no matter where in the world it's made. This meticulous attention to detail, this unwavering commitment to their formula, is what has allowed McDonald's to achieve global domination in the fast food industry. Section 3. A global phenomenon, one bite at a time. The journey of the McDonald's hamburger is a story of globalization, of a simple idea that transcended borders and cultures to become a global icon. From its humble beginnings in San Bernardino, California, McDonald's has grown into a global behemoth, with restaurants in over 100 countries and territories worldwide. And at the heart of this global empire is the hamburger, that humble yet iconic sandwich that has captured the hearts and stomachs of millions around the world.